After grid interpretation in our OR model and waste model, we will add our both the model, OR model and waste model with topo model. So the command is add model. Type ADDMOD, enter. Window will open like this. In file in one we will give the big model, that is our OR model, and in 2 we will give the waste model, that is our small model, that is our waste model. And in output file we will give the output model name. Give the output model name. Go to parameter, no change in parameter, then OK. Command is run. Now we have a combined grid model including OR model and waste model. Now this combined model will add with the topo mode. So the command will again add mode. Type add mode, enter. Window will open like this. In 1 we will take topo mode. In 2 we will take our grid mode, which we come from adding our OR mode and waste mode. In output file we will give the name final mode. No change in parameter, then OK. Like this, now we got a final mode which have included with OR model, waste model and topo model. It will be our final model. Now we will cut this model with our least boundary and topography, so the final shape of model will come out. Now all the process and application will apply on this model, like reserve estimation, open pit design, any other process application, like you want reserve of particular area. So all the process will apply on this final model. How to cut this final mode with the least boundary and topography, what command will use? For learning this, please go to my next chapter number 11, and learn this process.